Welcome all. Today's top breaking news with Gitanjali from Bayan Times.
Jagan lays foundation for YSR Vedadri lift irrigation scheme. Andhra Pradesh Chief Minister Y.S. Jaganmohan Reddy inaugurated work on the YSR Vedadri lift irrigation scheme at Vedadri village in Jagayyapet Mandal, Krishna district. The Chief Minister inaugurated the pylon with a remote from his camp office. The government plans to complete the project within 18 months. The project will provide irrigation water to 38,627 acres spread over 28 villages of the district. Andhra backs Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. Commerce Minister Mekapati Gautam Reddy, stating that the Andhra Pradesh government unequivocally supports the Prime Minister's vision for Atmanirbhar Bharat. Industries and Commerce Minister Mekapati Gautam Reddy has felt that the time is right for India as a country to rapidly scale up the industry contribution to the GDP and improve the livelihoods of millions of fellow countrymen. Andhra crosses 4 lakh mark in COVID-19 cases, recoveries reach 3 lakh. Andhra Pradesh on Friday went past the green mark of 4 lakh COVID-19 cases as over 10,000 were added afresh for the third straight day. The number of people cured of the infection increased to over 3 lakh, and the latest government bulletin said as on Friday, the COVID-19 count in Andhra Pradesh read 4,03,616 total cases, 3,03,711 recoveries, and 3,714 deaths. At last, Achanayudu gets bail. TDP Tekali MLA Achanayudu, who was arrested in ESI scam, has been granted bail by the Andhra Pradesh High Court but with conditions. The government asked the TDP leader's lawyer to provide a bond of Rs 2 lakh and also informed Achanayudu not to leave the country. COVID-19 test at private labs in Andhra Pradesh to cost Rs 1,600 or Rs 1,900. The state government slashed the prices for testing samples for coronavirus in private labs. Now Rs 1,600 will be charged instead of Rs 2,400 for each sample sent by the government to private labs. People who directly approach private labs recognized by the Indian Council of Medical Research (ICMR) will have to spend Rs 1,900 per sample against the old rate of Rs 2,900. A government order to this effect was issued by Special Chief Secretary Health Dr. K.H. Jawar Reddy. The rates were reduced due to the increased availability of kits, reduction in cost of RNA extraction and RT-PCR kits, and competition between firms manufacturing testing kits. Private labs must pass on the benefits as on the high cost of testing has been an obstacle to the public, the order said. COVID-19 testing ramped up in Telangana to save lives, says Iyatala. Ramping up the COVID-19 testing capacity in the state, the Department of Health and Family Welfare is conducting 50,000 to 60,000 tests every day, Rajendra said here on Friday. Speaking with resident welfare associations under the aegis of United Federation of Residents Welfare Association UFERWAS here, the minister said the testing capacity was increased to save the lives of people by detecting the virus early. Testing is being conducted at 145 places in the twin cities in addition to mobile camps. Basti Davakhanas playing a crucial role in extending quality Medicare, says KTR. The Telangana government's initiative of reaching out to hitherto unreached sections of the society to extend primary health care through a network of Basti Davakhanas is yielding positive results. With efforts on to soon add 100 such facilities, Municipal Administration and Urban Development MAUD Minister K.T. Rama Rao said here on Friday.
With this, we conclude with our today's news headlines. For more such latest news and updates, like, share and subscribe Bayan Times.